Southern Fried Catfish. Ingredients: ½ cup buttermilk, ½ cup water, salt and pepper to taste, 1 pound catfish fillets, cut in strips, 1/2 cups fine cornmeal, ½ cup all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon seafood seasoning, such as Old Bay, 1 quart vegetable oil for deep frying southern fried catfish. Directions: in a small bowl, mix buttermilk, water, salt, and pepper. Pour mixture into a flat pan large enough to hold the fillets. Spread fish in one layer over bottom of pan, turning to coat each side, and set aside to marinate. In a 2-gallon resealable plastic bag, combine the cornmeal, flour, and seafood seasoning. Add fish to mixture, a few fillets at a time, and tumble gently to coat evenly. Heat oil in deep fryer to 365 degrees Fahrenheit, 185 degrees Celsius. Deep fry fillets until golden brown, about 3 minutes. Avoid overcrowding so fillets have room to brown properly. Fish should be slightly crisp outside, and moist and flaky inside. Drain on paper towels.